Today I'm going to be showing you how I make Instant Pot chicken adobo. Hi, I'm Karen Peterson and I own the blog 365 Days of Slow and Pressure Cooking. Every week here on YouTube I share something about the Instant Pot, and today I'm going to be sharing one of my favorite, most tastiest chicken recipes ever. It's called chicken adobo, and it only has 6 ingredients. It's pretty much a dump and go recipe, so you can have this in the Instant Pot within about 5 minutes. I know you're gonna love this recipe, so let's get started.
First, add in a half a cup of low sodium or light soy sauce. If you use regular soy sauce, it just gets way too salty. So try to find the low sodium kind. And then add in a half a cup of white vinegar. You can also use apple cider vinegar. And then 3 bay leaves. Just pop them right into the Instant Pot. Next, add in 1 teaspoon of whole peppercorns. And then we're going to smash our garlic. We need 6 garlic cloves. You can just cut off that knobby end and then just get rid of that and peel off a little bit of the paper that's on top. Then grab a knife with a flat edge and just smash the garlic 1, 2, 3 and smash it. And then after it's smashed, you can just peel off the rest of any covering that's over the garlic cloves. And do this for 6 different cloves. This is what gives the flavor to the chicken. I'm using bone-in chicken today. I'm using chicken thighs. You can also use boneless, skinless chicken thighs. It's up to you. I'm using 3 pounds of bone-in chicken. If you're using boneless chicken, use 2 pounds. We're gonna pressure cook for 15 minutes. And then once the time is up, release the pressure after it's sat there for about 5 to 10 minutes. Remove the lid. And now we're gonna reduce the sauce. So turn the Instant Pot to the off button and then push the saute button and set it to more. Adjust it to more using the plus or minus buttons. And then turn the chicken over so that the skin is facing down. And we're just gonna reduce the sauce. So really, it's just another easy part. All you have to do is walk away for 7 minutes, keep the lid off, and that sauce is gonna boil away and reduce down so that there's not so much of it and so that it's a lot more flavorful. So you can see it boiling away here. And we're gonna remove the chicken once the 7 minutes is up, place it on a platter or a plate. And it is just infused with all sorts of flavor. You can see now how much sauce is reduced. It's boiled away here, the evaporated. Pour the sauce on top of the chicken for more flavor. I like to serve this over rice. I make brown rice, and it is truly a delight. Hope you like this recipe. Make sure to join our Facebook group and subscribe to my channel. We will see you next week. Bye-bye.